best product.
Buongiorno a tutti e che immenso piacere dirlo in italiano per conto di TVS Motor Company. Welcome to everybody, welcome to the press, welcome to the journalists, welcome to the media, welcome to some dealers. I see you around, you are my family, so you always welcome, guys. And welcome to all of the friends of TVS. What a day. What a day today is for TVS. We mark history, one of those days that will never be forgotten for those who has lived this moment. So again, an historical moment for TVS, an historical moment for Eicma, an historical moment for Italy, and overall for the European countries, because it's the first time for TVS in Eicma and to a global scenario that Eicma is showing. We are proud to welcome all of you in our world and share our way forward to you. So let me go deeply, directly, the heart of the presentation, and let me introduce Peyman Kargar, our President of the International Business of TVS Motor Company.
Thank you, Giovanni. What an exciting moment today at Eicma, the heart of the two-wheelers universe, and opening a bold and strong new chapter for TVS Motor Company. This is our first time at Eicma, but don't make mistake. This is the beginning of a larger journey. We arrive in Eicma today not only with TVS brand, but also with our legendary luxury brand, Norton, close to us just here. Ready to serve European riders and customers with passion, with precision, and with pride. TVS was born in India with a tremendous ambition from the day one. We started with a dream, and we became top 4 global OEM in two-wheelers, serving and touching the lives of more than 64 million of customers since that time, and that across more than 90 countries. Our story has written through excellence in engineering, but also unshakable reliability, and also passion. And above all of that, a deep customer focus. Because for us, mobility is not only moving from point A to point B. It's emotion. It's freedom, and it's connection with people who love technology, who love design, and who love possibilities. So, and customer care, I said it's deeply in our roots. It's not a slogan. And just the demonstration of that, 64 million customers making us #1 in JD Power ranking in customer satisfaction. So, with more than 2,000 passionate engineers and 4 centers of excellence in Singapore, in UK, in Bologna, in India, we are all united by one single strong purpose: transform the quality of life of people around the world, providing them mobility solutions that are exciting, sustainable, responsible, and safe. And now, our journey is starting in Europe. Europe is not a one unique market. It's a mosaic of cultures. It's excellence in mobility. And these values are deeply rooted in our DNA, in TVS. So here at Eicma, we are going to showcase our large portfolio, our e-bikes, but also 6 new mobility solutions we are preparing for Europe. But close to us here, proudly standing here close to us, Norton Motorcycles, an icon of British heritage, reborn for a new era. Last 5 years, we have invested more than 200 millions of pounds for revival of this tremendous brand, which has more than 127 years of history in innovation and in racing glory. We are writing now here the resurgence of Norton, built in timeless values of design, dynamism, and detail. To bring this vision to life, what we did, we built a best-in-class team with blending the best British art combined with a global expertise. And this team has prepared 6 stunning products. You will see 4 of them today, and 2 will come next year. But they are preparing also for Norton customers more than 200 excellency in terms of retail experience all around the world from 2026. So we are excited today to share that with you, our products, starting first with TVS. And for that, I would love to invite my friend and colleague, Manu, to share this wonderful adventure with you. Thank you.
Thank you, Payman. So our vision of transforming quality of life for people across the world comes from the pride that we take in our engineering and designing vehicles. So our products, they stand for inspiring design, superior build quality, and cutting-edge technology. And our centers across the world, as Payman mentioned, in India, in Solihull, in Singapore and Bologna, they house the best talent across the world which is available in two-wheelers. Today we are here to bring out these 6 new products which are from our design bank across EV and across motorcycles, to bring out our vision alive. Talking about our electric journey, we started 2 decades back. And in these 2 decades, we have done deep engineering capability building. Our flagship TVS iQube brand has covered 8 billion kilometers on road. And these 8 billion kilometers are sitting across 750,000 customers across the globe. TVS iQube today is #1 in South Asia. We design our own products. We hold those IPs. And all of this is built in our state-of-art production facilities. We lead in efficient powertrains and connected technology across the world. So here, I am very, very thrilled to introduce to you 3 new electric bikes. First one, a maxi scooter. Second, a sporty electric. And third, for the first time, our EV motorcycle concept. First up, let me take you through a detail of M1S. This is designed by our very, very talented Singapore team, and it holds a completely new portfolio for emerging urban mobility. This delivers instant acceleration, very precise control, great stability, and it all elevates a daily riding experience to the next level. Because of the maxi design, it offers great amount of comfort and road presence. This product will play in A1 category. Can we have the unveil, please? So this product, this beauty will be available end of next year. I go on to the next now. Let's meet the all-new TVS X. The all-new TVS X is born electric. And this was designed in India for the entire globe. It is a very lean aerodynamic design which is tuned for high agility control and more importantly, rider-machine harmony. It comes now packed with Android Auto and Qualcomm-powered infotainment, which brings the technology to the next level. This also plays in A1 category. Can we have the unveil, please? Will be world's most connected vehicle available on Europe roads by end of 26. And now for our final showstopper for electric today, TVS EFX 30. It is the most powerful electric concept that we have ever built so far. Can we have the unveil this of the vehicle, please? This is a street fighter design which is sharp and purposeful and filled with futuristic intelligence. It brings out the next generation electric powertrain technology and it is built on the pedigree of racing for us. So it was my delight to have presented to you the three concepts today. For continuing further, I invite on stage my dear colleague Vimal to take you through the rest of our launches today.
Thank you, Mani. Good morning, everyone. I am sure you're very excited to see next set of products over here. But before we jump in there, let me give you a little brief history about our racing pedigree. TVS is the flag bearer of motorsports in India. We have been racing for more than 4 decades, right? We started in 2015 by being partnering with Sherco at the Dakar. We started world's first factory woman racing team in 2016. In 2022, we took TVS as one of the Asia One Make Racing Championship. From there, we took into Dakar in 2024, the first Indian to win the Rally 2 at Dakar, the Harit Noah, the rider of TVS factory team. We have a very, very rich history of more than 4 decades, and we have been winning more than 80% of the podiums. And this speaks a lot about our engineering prowess and R&D. This philosophy of racing, you can see in the range of the products at TVS Motor Company. In Europe, in TVS Premium range, we have 3 set of formats. We have RR, which is absolutely a race-bred machine. We have RTR 310, which is a naked street fighter. We have Ronin, which is a very beautiful modern retro. Now these are the 3 formats of the motorcycles that we have in Europe. To these formats, we will add another set of format of motorcycles today at Eicma. Before I step into that, I wanted to tell you about the 4 broad pillars on which this premium motorcycle stands on, the whole genre about it. How do we build it? Anything that we build at TVS is with the focus on a customer. It's a very purpose-built design that we'll develop. If you look at any design of the motorcycle, they're very, very differentiated. Not only are they differentiated in terms of the design, we also are pioneering engineering and technology. In these beautiful set of machines, you will see we have put a lot of technology, be it RTDAC, which is first time in the world, under 500cc, we put a 6-directional IMU into it. So it's a full package of technology. We were the first to introduce factory built to order. We also have bi-directional quick shifter. There are many more. If I keep speaking about it, it's going to take a longer day. So very big packaged technology, beautifully designed motorcycles. And what does TVS bring to this world is great quality and reliability. We're the first 2-wheeler company in the world to get a Deming Award for manufacturing. So that is one side out of it. The second side of it is the JD Power. When they do the customer satisfaction, we have been continuously rated by the customers as one of the best products from the company. So it's a great combination on quality, reliability, and the customer satisfaction on the other side. What it helped us in the premium segment is to create 6 million happy customers around the world. Around 90 plus countries is where we sell them, and we have a strong community of close to 500,000 across the world. That speaks about the product, that speaks about the design, that speaks about the quality that we bring to this world. Of course, there's a lot of excitement of the customers who ride this motorcycle, and I'm sure we are going to bring this excitement and the thrill to Europe again. To my right, if you see, we have the world's first. We are going to introduce a beautiful helmet which comes with the technology of HUD display. Please have a look at it. There's a beautiful technology corner generally which you see in the car industry. You will see what we build in our beautiful motorcycle and package them so that they're fun to ride motorcycle. On my left, if you look at, we have collaborated with the world's best in terms of our gear with apparels called as Alpine Star. We also have accessory collaboration with GV. So we provide a full proposition, not only as a product, but as an entire brand world to this European nation. I'm very, very happy and excited to be here with all of you today. So before I jump in to the next product, TVS has been known for racing, rallying, stunting. In fact, we hold a record of doing the stunting in Himalayas at the highest ever altitude. So that inspired our engineers to bring to you the beautiful RTR Hyper Stunt motorcycle. Can we have the unveil of this, please? I'm sure all of you would love to put a leg around it and go for a stunting within the Eicma arena, but please wait for some time before we unveil another beauty. I spoke about our racing legacy of 40 years. You know, a brand can have a legacy of 40 years if we have good in quality, engineering, design, and customer satisfaction. Bringing you another beautiful race pedigree machine designed with a very futuristic design in mind, where our track to road philosophy is being put into place, introducing Tangent RR for the first time at Eicma, and I'm sure all of you are going to love it. Can you unveil the bike, please? Isn't it cool? Are you not feeling excited about it? I'm sure it's damn cool bikes. I'm sure we saw a lot of concept bikes. We heard from Payman and Manu about when they're going to come. We thought we must bring something to Europe which you can book today and probably try to ride on the beautiful Italy roads. So we are going to introduce for the first time in the European market our Rally Tourer Extreme. We have the strong pedigree of Raid the Himalayas in India. We have been winning almost 80% plus podiums. So we have seen in the consumer space, they want something for off-road and they want something for on-road. So perfect combination of rally, touring, extreme is what we present to you today at Eicma. This is built on our own indigenous design of an engine, which is RTX D4. It's a 300cc engine, which